Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will cover world geography under the subheading Static GK. Fine. And here we will look into certain facts and information crucial for our exams. Okay. But guys, before we start, I would like to bring your attention on the second slide. Okay guys. So this is my Instagram ID and you can follow me on Instagram and also you can join the Telegram group so that you can get the regular updates regarding on which topic the next video will be, and most importantly the timing of the video when it will be getting uploaded. Okay, so you people don't have to wait for the next video to come. You will be getting the information on these two groups. Okay, my Instagram ID and my Telegram group. Okay, you can follow these two links for regular update guys. Okay, fine. And most importantly, if you find the information useful, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, it's not an obligation, but if you find that the information uh, shared on this platform is relevant for you and it is useful for you, then only you can subscribe this channel. Okay guys, fine. So in this video we will be covering these topics. Okay, countries located at the equator, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं भूमध्य रेखा. Okay, भूमध्य रेखा, countries located at the equator. Then countries located at the tropic of Cancer. Okay, कर्क रेखा. And countries located at the tropic of Capricorn, मकर रेखा. And countries located at the prime meridian, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं प्रधान मध्याह्न रेखा. Okay, so we will be covering these four topics. Okay, in the next slide there are some questions. There are a couple of questions in fact. Okay, so please read the question and I will make you people very assured that after going through all these slides you people will be able to answer these two questions. Okay, number one, name the continent through which the equator, tropic of Capricorn and tropic of Cancer passes through. Okay, आपको एक ऐसे महाद्वीप का नाम बताना है जहां से भूमध्य रेखा, मकर रेखा और कर्क रेखा तीनों गुजरती हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इफ द इक्वेटर डिवाइड्स द वर्ल्ड इनटू द नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर, विच लाइन डिवाइड्स द ईस्टर्न एंड वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. दूसरा क्वेश्चन कहता है कि अगर भूमध्य रेखा उत्तरी और दक्षिण गोलार्ध को डिवाइड करती है तो नीचे दिए हुए ऑप्शंस में वो लाइन कौन सी है जो पूर्वी और पश्चिमी गोलार्ध को आपस में डिवाइड करती है. ओके, इफ द इक्वेटर डिवाइड्स द वर्ल्ड इनटू नॉर्दर्न एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर, which line divides the eastern and western hemisphere. Okay, so after going the upcoming slides you will be able to answer these two questions. Okay, so first is countries located at the equator. Okay, countries located at the equator. So how many countries are located at the equator? 13 countries, 3 continents and 3 water bodies. So the countries lying at the equator are 13 in numbers. They are in 3 continents. These 13 countries are in 3 continents, 3 different continents, and the equator also passes through 3 water bodies. Okay, then the next things which comes in our mind is, what is equator? Equator क्या है कि भूमध्य रेखा हम किसको कहते हैं? Okay, so the definition is, equator refers to an imaginary line on the surface of the earth equidistant from north pole and south pole, also dividing the earth into the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. ठीक है, सो इक्वेटर एक काल्पनिक रेखा है. ठीक है, that is it is an imaginary line which is on the surface of the earth, जो सरफेस अर्थ के सरफेस पर है और नॉर्थ पोल और साउथ पोल से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है, और साथ साथ ये अर्थ को नॉर्दर्न और सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में डिवाइड करती है। ओके फाइन। सो अगर आप यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखोगे इन 13 कंट्रीज में, यहाँ पर आप ध्यान से देखिए, जस्ट अ मिनट, इन 13 कंट्रीज में हमारा इंडिया नहीं है, ये हमारा इंडिया है। यहाँ पर इंडिया डज नॉट पासेस थ्रू द लाइन ऑफ इक्वेटर डज नॉट पासेस थ्रू इंडिया। Keep this fact in mind. If there is an option in question, which of the following countries passes which of the following countries line of equator passes? So if an option is given India, so directly you can cross that option that India does not comes in the path of equator. Okay, so पहले हम देखेंगे वाटर बॉडीज कौन कौन से, which of the water bodies lies on the equator line: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Okay, these three water bodies lies on the equator. Then continents, 3 continents, what we said here, 3 continents, 3 water bodies, Atlantic, Pacific and Indian Ocean. 3 continents: South America, Africa and Asia. ठीक है, so 3 continents, 3 water bodies which lie on the equator. Now the countries are Ecuador, Colombia, Brazil, Gabon, Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, sometimes you will hear this as DRC. Okay, Uganda, Kenya, Sao Tome and Principe, Somalia, Maldives, Indonesia and Kiribati. Okay, so 13 countries, 3 water bodies and 3 continents: Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil, which is in the South America. These 3 continents are in South America. Then from number 4 to number 10, these countries are in Africa. These countries are in Africa. Okay, these countries are in Africa, and the remaining countries: Maldives, Indonesia and Kiribati. These 3 lie in the Indian Ocean. Sorry, not in Indian Ocean. Maldives lie in Indian Ocean, Indonesia in the Southeast Asia, and Kiribati Island also lies in Asia. Okay, fine. Then moving on to our next slide, which is talking about countries located at the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so we have to find, or we have to learn from here, which of the following countries are located at the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, कर्क रेखा पर कौन कौन से देश बसते हैं. Okay, number of countries 16, 3 continents, 3 water bodies. ठीक है, so Tropic of Cancer, under Tropic of Cancer lies in 16 countries. Line of Tropic of Cancer goes through 16 countries, 3 continents, 3 water bodies. Which of the following countries? See, Mexico, Bahamas archipelago, group of island. Archipelago means group of island. Okay, Niger, Algeria, Mauritania, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Western Sahara, China, Taiwan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, India, Saudi Arabia, UAE and Oman. So don't get confused, because here I have mentioned 16 countries and here I have wrote 17 countries. Countries are 16, which I mentioned earlier. Bahamas archipelago. Archipelago means group of island. So we will count Bahamas not as a country, as an archipelago, as a group of island. So अगर हम इसको group of island करके count करेंगे, okay. So if we count this country in island, so the number of countries will be 16. अगर हम Bahamas को as a group of island, as an island मान के चलेंगे, तो हमारे number of countries कितने जाएंगे? 16. So अगर ऑप्शन में आपको Bahamas मिलता है, so please mark it. अगर ऑप्शन में दिया है कि Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following, and if in an option Bahamas is mentioned, you can mark that Bahamas also. Okay, so 16 countries plus one island, that is Bahamas Island. Okay, so look here, Mexico and Bahamas in the Mexico and Bahamas in the North American continent, Bahamas in the North American continent. Then from number 3 to number 9, African continent, and from number 10 to number 17, Asia. First two countries are from North America, then from number 3 to number 9, the countries are located in the African continent, and then from number 10, that is from China to Oman, all these countries are in Asian continent. Okay guys, fine. Then moving on to our next slide, what is mentioned here? Water bodies. So what it was saying, 16 Tropic of Cancer line goes through 16 countries, 3 continents and 3 water bodies. Okay, 3 continents and 3 water bodies. Just a minute. Oh, so okay guys, there is a mistake in this slide. Not 3 water bodies, sorry, 6 water bodies. Not 3 water bodies. Tropic of Cancer passes through 6 water bodies. So what are the name of these 6 water bodies? Tropic of Cancer passes through Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Taiwan Strait, Red Sea and Gulf of Mexico. Okay guys, so 16 countries, 6 water bodies and 3 continents. The continents are North America, Africa and Asia. So Tropic of Cancer passes through 16 countries, 6 water bodies and 3 continents. Okay, fine. Then moving on to our next slide, countries located at the Tropic of Capricorn. Sorry, it is not fully visible here. Tropic of Capricorn. So countries located at the Tropic of Capricorn, how many countries are there? 10 countries, 3 continents and 3 water bodies. Okay, so if you watch in the map, if you look into the map properly, you will find here the Tropic of Capricorn does not passes through India. While when we look into this Tropic of Cancer, you can see this line, it is passing through India. Okay, so Tropic of Cancer passes through India. Okay, but equator does not passes through India. Tropic of Capricorn does not passes through India. Okay, fine. आप मैप से आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. If you look into the map, you will easily find and you will easily able to locate that Capricorn line, Tropic of Capricorn line does not passes through India. Okay, so it passes through how many countries? 10 countries. The countries are Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Paraguay, Namibia, Botswana, that will be S, not A, Botswana, okay, South Africa, Mozambique, Madagascar, Australia. Okay, so how many countries? 10 countries. 10 countries passes through Tropic of Capricorn. These 3 countries are in how many continents? 10 countries are in how many continents? 3 continents. South America, Africa and Australia. Okay, fine. How many water bodies? 3 water bodies. Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. See, one thing is common in water bodies when we are talking about equator, Tropic of Capricorn and Tropic of Cancer. 3 water bodies are common: Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Okay, only you have to remember the remaining 3 water bodies which are passing through Tropic of Capricorn. That is Taiwan is not Capricorn, sorry, Tropic of Cancer. Taiwan Strait, Red Sea, Gulf of Mexico. Okay guys, I hope I'm clear right now. Fine. Okay, then countries located at the prime meridian. Countries located at the prime meridian, जिसको हम हिंदी में कहते हैं प्रधान मध्याह्न रेखा. Countries located at the prime meridian. अभी prime meridian क्या है? जैसे we have what we have studied in equator, that equator divides the earth into 2 parts, okay, which is equidistant from north pole and south pole, and also divides the earth into two hemisphere, that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And here prime meridian also divides the earth into two hemispheres. Okay, then what are those hemisphere? What are the name of those hemispheres? Western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. Okay, हमने जब इक्वेटर की बात की थी, when we were talking about equator, we said that it is an imaginary line that passes that divides the earth into two parts, that is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, but prime meridian divides the earth into western hemispheres and eastern hemisphere. Okay, and how many countries are lying here? How many countries are located at the prime meridian? 8 countries, 3 continents and 6 water bodies. See, now where we last talked about 6 water bodies, when we were talking about Tropic of Cancer. It passes through 6 water bodies, and here prime meridian also is passing through 6 water bodies. So the 8 countries are United Kingdom, Spain, France, Ghana, Algeria, Mali, Togo, and Burkina Faso. Or not Burkina Faso, it's Burkina Faso. Sorry for the typing error. It's Burkina Faso. Sorry. Okay, guys. So it is Burkina Faso, not Burkina Faso. Water bodies. How many water bodies? 6 water bodies. Arctic Ocean, Norwegian Sea, Greenland Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Atlantic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Okay, यहाँ पर ना Atlantic Ocean है, ना Pacific Ocean, ना Indian Ocean. यहाँ पर क्या है? Arctic Ocean, Norwegian Sea, Greenland Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Atlantic Sea and Southern Ocean. Okay, fine. Then 3 continents कौन कौन से हैं जहाँ से प्राइम मेरिडियन पास होती है? Europe, because United Kingdom, France and Spain are in Europe, are in European continent. Then Africa and Antarctica. 3 continents, 6 water bodies and 8 countries. Okay, guys, fine. So in this map you can, it is visible here that the line, this is the equator line which passes or which divides the earth through 2 equal parts, that is the northern hemisphere, just a minute, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, but when we talk about this prime meridian line, okay, ये इसका क्या काम है? What does it signifies? It signifies that earth is divided into 2 portions again, that is western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere, पश्चिमी गोलार्ध और पूर्वी गोलार्ध. Okay, fine. So the next slide is, here 2 questions are given again, couple of questions. The first question is, which of the following river crosses the equator? Again, there is a typing error. There are many typing errors in this slide. Sorry for that. Crosses the equator twice. Okay, which of the following river crosses the equator twice? आपको ऐसी रिवर का नाम बताना है जो भूमध्य रेखा को 2 बार कट करती है. ओके, या क्रॉस करती है. फाइन. Next question is, name the Indian river which crosses the Tropic of Capricorn, not Capricorn, sorry, Cancer twice, because we know that Tropic of Capricorn does not passes through India. Okay, so यहाँ question कह रहा है, name the Indian river which crosses the line of Tropic of Cancer twice. Okay, so these 2 questions you have to find out of your own. The questions we discussed, the question which discussed earlier, what were those questions? Those questions were asking, name the continent which the equator, Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn passes. Okay, हमें ऐसे महाद्वीप का नाम बताना था जो इक्वेटर, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर और ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन से पास होता हो. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर विल बी African continent. The answer will be African continent. Okay, then second question, if the equator divides the world into northern and southern hemisphere, which line divides the eastern and western hemisphere? Okay, you can pause the video and you can guess the answer on your own. The answer will be C, prime meridian. Prime meridian will be the correct answer. And the remaining two questions, you have to find the answer of those two remaining questions on your own. Okay, go through the map, find the line of equator, find the line of Tropic of Cancer, where it is cutting, or where it is crossing an Indian river twice, and also which river crosses the equator twice. Okay guys, so I hope this video will be very useful for you, proves to be useful, not very useful, sorry. And I hope I have covered the relevant part. And one thing more, this question, this Tropic of Capricorn, there was a question in CDS exam which was on 8th of November, this Sunday, the Sunday which has gone to 2 days back. There was a question, which country does not lie at the Tropic of Capricorn, or sorry, lie at the Tropic of Capricorn? So answer was Brazil. Answer was Brazil. Okay guys, so this topic is important, don't let it go. Okay, please make note of this, and I will try to put the PDF on the Telegram group, so you can easily find the this PDF of these slides on that group. Okay, so please join the group also. So guys, that's all in today's video. Stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and God bless you.